Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for coming back. Today we are going to be making clove oil with just two major ingredients. Let's get right into it. Please guys, take a minute, just click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thank you. Okay guys, the very first ingredient we are going to be using is of course our cloves. I've explained in my last video the numerous benefits cloves have. I'm still going to pin them down in the description box down below. Please do well to read for yourself why you need to use this clove for your hair. So we've done clove water in our last video. Now we are extending this treatment to incorporate it in our oil. I'm going to be using the Kenny's hair growth oil for my own oil. Anyways, you can use any oil you're comfortable with, whether you have olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, any carrier oil of your choice is totally fine. My oil is just a mixture of avocado, coconut oil and olive oil with some essential oils, so anyone you're comfortable with is fine. So we are taking in this pan, because we are going to be doing the double boiler method. So we are pouring in our clove into the oil, which is already inside the pan already. So after that, we are just going to leave it for like 5-10 minutes, let it sit in the oil. Then we'll move it further to our boiling water. The double boiler method, as you can see, is just you putting the pan that you have the ingredients under a boiling water, so you're not directly frying the oil. Do you get what I mean? So after then, I left it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then I started pouring it into my bottle. Guys, when I decided to pour this oil into my bottle, I had no intention of leaving the clove inside the oil. But as I was pouring I just said, let me even check this container, like the pan, and I saw that there's one interesting thing going on underneath, and I felt like, oh, the cloves have not been fully extracted. So I decided to put the clove inside the oil, right? Guys, this is my first time trying this, putting herbs or putting anything into my oil, like leaving it in. I'm always used to extracting, used to sieving it out, but I just like, let me just give it a try. So I started pouring the shaft into the oil, and fingers crossed, let's see how it goes, right? So I left it in for about 2 days, and I'm going to show you how it turned how it turned out after the second day, right? I don't know why I'm missing my words. I don't know. But guys, if you are watching up to this point and you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Like, over 2,000 people watched my last video, and I still don't have up to 2,000 subscribers. It is just simple. You don't need anything. You don't need to, like, guys, you don't need to pay. Just subscribe. Just click the subscribe button and click the like button. Anyways, I removed my sticker because I felt like this is no longer Kenny's Naturals oil. This is now my own DIY. Anyway, guys, let me know what how you feel about this treatment in the comment section. I'll see you in my next one. I love you. Bye.